Welcome, dear students and learners. Today, I'm going to start online teaching mathematics in physics already running. In these sections, I will include all state boards, CBSE boards, ICSE boards. The content will be taken from NCRT books, examples, uh, some other sources, which is prepared by me. In this section, I will include all theory, including important questions, which is beneficial to CBSE and JEE examinations. All difficult questions, high order thinking questions, and some questions are left for you have to prepare yourself. Without your own preparations, it will not benefits. So let us begin our journey. You will start with me, and you will excel, score very well in your examinations, both in CBSE and JEE preparations. Let us start. First, I will take state board question, schooling type question at the end of the chapters. I will take JEE sections also. Let us begin. So our beginning is from 12 sections. The chapter will be matrix. We know matrix. Matrix matrix of the numbers, matrix of the function of real numbers. The plural of matrix will be the matrices. Matrices is the plural of matrix. In matrix and the plural of matrix is matrices. We have to arrange different type of numbers, different type of function of real numbers in a rectangular array. Rectangular array including like this. Let us suppose take an examples how to express some data, some numerical facts in matrix formats. So let us suppose one student Sahil has one notebook. If I take one notebook, not one notebook, if I take Sahil has 10 notebook. How to express these 10 notebooks in mathematics format? It means that in matrix I can use this matrix format. So we have to write this 10 in the square bracket. So this square brackets in mathematically is a representation that Sahil has 10 notebooks. If Sahil has, including the 10 notebooks, if it has also 10 notebooks, and 15 pens. How to express this in matrix format? I can express in matrix format in a rectangular way. Suppose first one represent, this is 10 notebooks Sahil has, and 15 pens Sahil has. We can represent this in matrix format 10, 15. This is the matrix representations of Sahil has 10 notebooks and 15 pens. So we can also write this is the row format, and we can also write this in the column format. This is the row format, this is in column format. Write 10 and 15. It means that the first row including the 10 notebooks, and the second row, this is the second row, so represent 15 pens. So in this way we can express the data which possessed by Sahil, the item possessed by the Sahils in a matrix format. So if I take another examples of 3 students. So this is our data. Let us start. 3 students. Sahil has 5 notebooks, has 16 pens. Sales has 2 notebooks and 14 pens. Piyush has 7 notebooks and 8 pens. How to write in matrix format? We can write this in matrix format like this. So normally matrix representation in rectangular format. So Sahil notebook is here. Position of the notebooks will be under this, and pens will be under this. So Sahil, Salish and Piyush, these are the brilliant students. Suppose in a class, notebooks and pens, and Sahil has 5 notebooks right under the notebooks. Sahil and notebooks, 5 notebooks, 16 pens, and Salish has 2 notebooks and 14 pens. And at the end, Piyush has 7 notebooks and 8 pens. So this is the information. So we have writing this information in this tabular format, in this arrangement called rectangular arrangement. So so if I write this in rectangular bracket, this is our rectangular format to return the matrix. So this becomes a matrix. So in which we have written the information, notebooks and pens purchased by these 3 students in a rectangular format. So it is called the matrix. So here this is for row number 1, this is row 2, second row, this is third row. So here are 2 column also. This is verticals. This is vertical line is known as column first, C1. This is column second, C2. So in this way, this is the written of the informations in a matrix format in a mathematically. So we can utilize this in complication data to data calculation like revenue collections and spending, all in that. So let us begin how to explain the matrix, how to write the matrix, what will be the order, different type of matrix, and respective questions on these. So let us begin writing of the matrix in the rectangular arrangement. How to write these ones? So here let us suppose 3 by 3. Now I am writing 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3. This is 3 by 3 known as the order of the matrix. 3 by 3 the order. Let us start matrix representations written in the capital letters. So these are the entries or the elements of the matrix. This is first row, and here are 3 rows and 3 columns. A11, the first entry, first row, second column, first row, third column. This will be the second row, first column, and second row, second column, second row, third column, and third row. This is third row, first row, third row. This is third row, first column, and third row, second column, third row, and third column. So we can representation. This is square bracket. Yeah, you can write also in this format also. So here it has 3 rows. Row number 1, R1, R2, and R3. And this will be column C1 and C2 and C3. So inside of this one there are 3 plus 3 plus 3. They are 9 entries. So it's order. Order means rows by columns known as order. Here are 3 rows and 3 columns. So order this will be your order. This will be our order. So how many? Okay, these elements, these are known as the entries. So how many elements we have? We have 3 into 3. Total entries inside of this matrix is 9. So 9 is the entries. And what about this one? What about this element? This is the element is third row and second column. So we can call this is 3, 2th entry. This is called the entry or element. Entry and element. 3 2th element. Okay, you write this third row, second column. This is third row, second column. So in this way, this is a 3 by 3 order. Any type of order could be there. So maybe there are different number of rows and columns. So let us start. Now here we generalize this in generalized format. In generalization, if I generalize this information, generalize it in this format, square bracket ijth element. This is ijth element. So here ijth, I going from 1 to, I goes from number 1 to 3, and j is going from number 1 and 3. So it means that first one represent number of rows. There are 3 rows, and j represent columns. There are 1, 2, and 3, and 3 columns. We have 3 columns. So now in this way, we written the informations in the rectangular arrangement. We also write the informations of a point in a place in matrix format. Let us begin. Suppose in coordinate system we have, this is the coordinate system. There is x-axis and y-axis, and there is, suppose P has the coordinates, suppose 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is a point in the plane. How to write this in matrix format? We can write this in matrix format like this one. So either you write this one 4 and 5. First element represent the x coordinate, and second element represent the y coordinate. We also write this 4 and 5 like this one, 4 and 5 in column format. So first element, first entry, this is the first entry called the x coordinate, and this is, we generally represent x and y. X coordinate 5, y coordinate 5. Here you write this like this one, x and 5. There should be no comma between them. Okay, make some space between x and y. So in this way, any point in the plane will be represented in the matrix format. And another example, taken the rectilinear polygons. So how to write in matrix format? Let us start one squares rectangle whose vertex is given. Now consider a quadrilateral. We have a quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral whose vertex is given, already is given, A, B, C, D. How to write this information in the matrix format? Suppose it has the coordinate 3, 4, and 4 minus 5, 7 and 8, and 1 and 10. So these are the vertex of the quadrilaterals ABCD. How to write in matrix format? So we have to write the matrix in the first write in the capital letter. Should be in capital letters. So either we can go the coordinate in this format ABCD. We represent not A. Let us suppose this is x. A, all information of A, coordinate of A will be here. A, B, C and D. These are the 3 vertex of these quadrilaters. A has the coordinates A has the coordinate 3 and 4. 3 and 4. B has the coordinate 4 and minus 5. And C has the coordinate 7 and 8. And D has the coordinate 1 and 10. So closed in square bracket, or curly bracket. So if I close this in a square bracket and curly bracket, written like this. So this information, the coordinate of a quadrilateral in the matrix format will be written like this. And next one, we can also write in here it is how many rows? There are 2 rows, R1 and R2. There are 2 rows, R1 and R2. And how many columns it has? C1, C2, third column, and this is the 4th column. Now how to write the orders? Order of this matrix X is first written the rows. How many rows? There are 2 rows. How many columns we have? So we have 4 columns. These are the columns, and these are the rows. So 2 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is a 2 by 4 matrix. How many entries we have? 2 into 4 will be 8. We have total entries 8. We also write this information in another format also. So write is this matrix X like here, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. So A has the coordinate. A has the coordinate 3 and 4. 3. This is 4. B has the coordinate 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. C has the coordinate 7 and 8. And at the end, D has the coordinate 1 and 10. 1 and 10. So this is the informations of the coordinate in a plane of a quadrilateral written in the matrix format is this one. So it has row number 1, R1, row number 2, row number 3, and row number 4. And this is the first column C1 and C2, C1 and C2. So in this way, order of this matrix will be for written the total number of rows. How many rows? There are 4 rows. These are the rows, and 4 times of how many columns we have? There are 2 columns, 4 by 2. So how many entries? How many elements side of this one? These numbers known as the elements or entries. So therefore we have the elements, total elements here. 4 into 2 is 8. So the information written in this arrangement, rectangular arrangement, this is also known as a rectangular array. This is the rectangular array, rectangular arrangement of the numbers in this format. Okay, in a ordered format known as the matrix. So same thing. Okay, same information I have changed in this format. So here is also 2 into 4. The row can be converted. I have converted here row and columns are interchanged. So in this way, matrix is very easier to representation data in a mathematical way and in a sequence and ordered ways. Now next we start some types and questions on the matrix in next sections, and goodbye till then.